Hello everyone, today I want to show you guys how to set up your Metasploitable server within VirtualBox so that you can do penetration testing. So to do this, you first download Metasploitable. Once you download and extract it, then you'll have these files here. The file that we will be interested in, of course, will be the vmdk. And as you can see, this is in disk image file, and this means that we will be using this file as a replacement to our hard drive or our virtual hard drive within VirtualBox. So that means we will not be importing ISO image and all that stuff. So to do this, we just have to click new, and then we will be creating the Metasploitable server. We will choose the type, of course, will be Linux, and then we will select other Linux, 64-bit. Ignore the ISO image. Click next. And you can leave it as it is. And in here, this is the most important part, we will use an existing virtual hard disk file. And then we will click the folder, click add, go to the file, and we select it. You click choose, click next, finish, and it should be done. Well, unless you want to, of course, then be able to perform penetration testing, then you will want to do something else. Is you want to go to File, Tools, Network Manager, and you want to click Create to create a host-only network. As you can see, host-only network. So you can then select the enable the DHCP server and all that stuff. I've already done it, so you don't have to worry about it. So you can just delete that one. I've already done it here, so it works. Once it's done, what we need to do is we need to tell our Metasploitable to connect to that one. So we have to go back to settings, click network, adapter, right? And we have to change it from NAT to internal network, to host only network. Now, I mean, you could also try to go to the main internet, which just means you have to go to the bridged adapter and you can choose your Wi-Fi. But this is too dangerous because this server is vulnerable and it is absolutely not recommended to do it. But you can try it if you want. You can just go and try it and just mess around with stuff. But generally speaking, you want to just do it in a safe environment so that it's only hosted to you. It's not accessible to the world. Once you have it, you select it, you click OK, and then you can just hit start. And then it's done. Small build here. Let me just scale it. There we go. Now that it's done, as you can see, we're in here. As you can see, it already says the what was it called? Login with MSF admin. So you can do MSF admin, and there you are. You can delete it. You can write IPA. You can see that we got the IP address, which is this particular one that we can see here. And as you can see, that IP address here is of course related to our partly one of our IP addresses that we have here, so you can check it here. So if you go to our DHCP server, we can see that its server starts from 100, right? And the lower bound, which is the first one, from 101 to 254, as you can see there, right? And we have right now 107. So that's it. So it's because I'm also using other ones too. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there's also, I think I have also another one, but I think I deleted it, which was using that server. So that's basically it. So now that it's done here, so you can basically do practically anything you want with it. Just for testing purposes, I can definitely try something, and I'm gonna give it a try right now. Just to, let's say, let's go to the terminal here. What I would like to do is, so I would like to try the application called Nikto. If you guys know that one, you can do Nikto here. This one, and I'm going to write the 192.168.56.107. And it will just do me an entire summary of the vulnerabilities the server has. So it should find a lot of vulnerabilities within it. Let's see what it found actually here. So these are the databases that you can see here. The host is vulnerable to XST. You can see that it just shows that it's vulnerable to different types of just server stuff that is just vulnerable, so you can pretty much hack it and all that stuff. You could also try to do, for example, something even better. Usually people do this, as you could do, let's say, I'll just do it like this. 192.168.56.107. Just to run it, and we should be able to get a lot of ports that are open, just to confirm it, so that then you can do your penetration testing. As you can see, look, every port is open. This is like a hacker's wet dream, if you think about it. Look at all these ports. They're all open, all these ports and their protocols all open, and you can just practically do anything you want with it. For example, for the SSH, you can just use Medusa, and you can try to crack the password. You can do it. You can try to do a lot of different things. You can just do the basic one, which is the using an exploit to get access to the server and all that stuff. So that's basically all. And so yeah, thanks for watching, I guess. And if you enjoyed it, hit the like, and that's about it. Take care.